Our mandate is to build the number one games and esports company. I told our vice chair, His Royal Highness Prince Faisal, I said, this is my orientation, and I'm going to come here and we're going to hit the ground running. It's going to be me and 3 or 4 people from the MENA team. Yes, we will be recruiting and trying to hire people, but I'm not going to spend any significant amount of time worrying about org design, policies, structure, and so forth, because we need to put points on the board, to use a different analogy. And he said, okay, great. Now, to my great surprise, and I'm very grateful for this, that I think resonated very well with His Royal Highness, our chair, the Crown Prince, who, of course, encourages, enables, and empowers people to do the seemingly impossible on seemingly impossible timelines. And so the fact that we went out and transacted for the first year and a half at Savvy and got a lot of deals done, put points on the board, and began generating revenue, I think was a good thing.